Hey guys, it's Joshua Baker here. I'm making a bit of a response video towards a user who goes by the name of Camp Facer. And I will be linking his channel in the description of this video. Um, so he did a couple of videos on the chainsaw that was going to be used in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game that was that's actually shown at the Game Awards like last year in December. And he was going towards, because they're using the actual saw from the original movie, which was the Poland 245A. He got confused, just thought it was the 306 and all that. I can see how, because they look kind of the same. But here's the thing, they did use a bit of like 306A parts. To give you a bit of an example, here's a 245 muffler right here, and here's a 306A muffler, and then we go here to see here. We can get a better look at the muffler. See? See right there. 306A muffler. Open this image. Right there. 306A muffler. See, 306A muffler. That's a 245. They also used the handlebars of a 306. It's kind of hard to tell the difference between the two, but yeah, that was shown in there too. So I just thought I'd go ahead and share that, because just so people can get the idea of that.